medication, AstraZeneca may be able to help.
The National Weather Service has issued a winter storm watch number 142, issued at 11:35 this morning. The winter storm warning for Worcester and Shrewsbury in southeast Massachusetts has expired. Significant snowfall has ended, therefore the winter storm warning has been allowed to expire. There still may be light snow for Wilmington, Reading, Stoneham at 12:41 p.m., especially to Wilmington, Reading and Stoneham to Paxton.
Percent of what you just put in. Skip the rinse and keep the shine and protection.
The National Weather Service has issued a winter storm warning. The winter storm watch that was issued a few hours ago has expired. Significant snowfall has started. It has reached the coast of New Hampshire. It will soon reach the counties in Vermont in a few hours: Montpelier, East Montpelier, and Worcester.
I will never forget.